this thing on? Is it on? I can't tell. Where's the button to turn it on? Hello? Hello? Is it on? I don't know. I don't know. What in tarnation is going on here? I just don't know. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing some old age special effects makeup using mostly a liquid latex. We have a few other things we're going to be using, mostly just different makeup products like eyeshadow, bronzer. Got a Ben Nye color wheel here. Got some white cream makeup. There are a lot of videos out there already about old age makeup. Everyone does it different. You can just paint it on, you can do the latex version, pretty much anything you want to do. A lot of people will stretch their skin out and put the latex on. And if that works for you, cool, but I'm going to do it slightly different. Instead of stretching my face out, I'm going to scrunch it up. We'll see what I mean soon. Alright, so we're going to start on our forehead, and we're just going to make faces. Scrunch your forehead up as much as you can, like this, like this. Trying to avoid my hair. And you can hold it too if you want. And then, if you have a blow dryer, I would strongly advise you use it, because you'll have to be sitting there holding your face for a while. So I'm going to blow dry my face really quickly. Okay, and then once that dries, you're gonna do a bunch more layers. I'd say around 4 or 5, or until you get the desired effect. I don't know if you can see that, block the light. Starting to get wrinkles. It's a little shiny. We'll put the shine down with the powder after we're all done. I'm gonna keep going in various parts of my forehead. I might have to make different facial expressions. I might have to lift my eyebrows, scrunch them. You do whatever you like to do. Lots of funny faces in this video. I'm very angry right now. I think you can see that a little bit better. Let me move this light. Yeah, I think you can see it. But we're not done yet. Few more layers. Alright, we have several layers on our forehead. Now we're going to move on to the rest of the face. Gotta do some crow's feet. And we have to make some more weird faces. Something like that. You don't want to get too close to your eye, but you do want to kind of try to get a little bit of wrinkles around there. We're gonna do around our cheeks, or what is it called? Mouth. This is mouth. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a lot of smiling. Let's get started. I'm gonna do my crow's feet first. Just kind of smile and apply it to where the lines already are. Do 4, 5, 6, however many layers of that you want. And after all of this, we're going to enhance these wrinkles. Did I already say that? With makeup? I think that was implied. Right? Okay. We are getting there. Starting to see some fine lines around the eyes. You might not be able to see very clearly because the lighting's not very good. I can't figure out the lighting. I'm really bad at that. But we're starting to get there. I'm going to do some more right over here. Okay, even next, let's do our lap lines. So basically, just gonna smile. Making some weird faces down the chin, maybe frown a little. Yep, those lines are starting to take shape. Put some more on the mouth and over here. I'm just gonna keep making faces and scrunching it up. If you want to stretch your cheeks, might be easier to stretch to do this, but they're both equally effective ways. Blah, blah, blah. My skin is so tight right now, I can barely move my face. Alright, I think I have pretty much oh, forgot. Remember what I forgot. The upper lip, don't forget that. I'm gonna scrunch it up. Okay, now that we're all done with that, we're gonna take some translucent powder. You can put some foundation on if you want. I'm not going to. I'm just going to take down this shine a little bit. Close up here, you can see a lot of the wrinkles. all over. Now we are really going to make those wrinkles pop by painting them with eyeshadow and bronzer. I got my Hoola bronzer, I got some NARS burgundy looking eyeshadow. And take a very thin brush. And take some of that red. And just go over the new wrinkles. You can do this with either color, red or brown, doesn't matter. Think of the way an old person's skin looks. It's very thin. You can see a lot of the veins underneath. It's very pale, almost transparent like. Alrighty, we have the makeup done mostly. Now we're going to do two things. I'm going to take this color wheel, I'm going to put some of the red right in the inner corner. It's a slightly fluffy brush. After this, we are going to take our white cream, makeup and put that in our hair and eyebrows. Cream and makeup. If you have a wig, you can obviously skip the cream makeup in the hair part if you want. Finished the hair. I also added some red and purple from the color wheel into the eyelids. Put a little bit of white of the cream makeup on my lips and added some purple and blue to it. Also added an age spot very gently above my eye and right here with the red color. And there you have it. Nice and old. How do I look? Still beautiful, I'm sure. Who could resist? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Dermatologists hate her. What's her secret? Got a massive pimple on my face. Hopefully we can cover that up. There are a lot of videos